How to save someone's Snapchat without them knowing. To do that, what you can simply do is install the latest version of Snapchat from Google Play Store on your phone. If you have already done so, then you can simply open the Snapchat on your phone. After you open the Snapchat on your phone, you will see an interface like this. And if you have done so, then on the downside, you can see there are many icons. And when you tap on the icon of chat, you will see all your friends right here. And when you just want to see and save the snap of anyone in your gallery, what you can simply do is go on the snap, save that in chat, and to save that in a camera roll or in your gallery, what you can simply do is go on the notification bar and turn your airplane mode on. After you do this, your Wi-Fi will be off, and then just save the Snapchat snap of that random person, any person on your gallery or your camera roll, and then just again go back from your Snapchat and again scroll on the notification bar, turn your Wi-Fi on and turn off the airplane mode. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.